Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Travels. In this video, I'm going to be talking about what foods you need to try when visiting Sweden. First on the list is the famous princess cake. This creamy, multi-layered cake is a Swedish classic. It's a must-try for anyone visiting the country. It's made with sponge cake, green marzipan, and a light vanilla custard filling. This cake is sure to satisfy any sweet tooth. You'll find it at many specialty bakeries. Next up is the cinnamon bun, or kanelbulle in Swedish. These fluffy cinnamon sugar buns are a staple in Sweden. You'll find them in every cafe and bakery, and they're perfect for a quick breakfast or midday snack. These buns are a must-try for anyone visiting Sweden. Okay, the third food item on our list is called a tunnbrödsrulle. We had to search far and wide to find one. I remember having one as a child when we visited Sweden, and I was determined to have my husband Keith try one. So we found this little shop in Gamla stan, which is the old town of Stockholm. And what it is it's a Swedish-style hot dog made with a soft, flat bread called tunnbröd, mashed potatoes, and a variety of toppings like shrimp salad, cheese, fried onions. These delicious street food items are popular for the evening pub crowd, and it was just as delicious as when I was a kid, so make sure you go and find one of these. Before we went to Sweden, I had a whole list of foods I wanted Keith to try. So fourth on the list is the shrimp sandwich, or räkmacka in Swedish. This classic sandwich is made with fresh, juicy shrimp. Often there's lettuce and a delicious dill mayonnaise. It's all served on a variety of bread, from fluffy white bread to more textured rye breads. It is a light and tasty option that's perfect for a quick lunch or as a snack. You'll see them at most restaurants and cafes, and not only are they delicious, but they're also often beautifully displayed. So yes, that's me, and Keith says I look like an excited 5-year-old, and I was definitely in my happy place. Number 5, we have Swedish pancakes. These thin, delicate pancakes are made with a simple batter of flour, eggs, and milk. I use a 3-2-1 recipe: 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of flour. They're often served with a variety of sweet toppings like lingonberry sauce, whipping cream, and sugar. So these pancakes are a staple in Sweden and in my house, and are sure to please even the pickiest of eaters, including my grandson Luca, who won't eat anything. He loves my Swedish pancakes, or pannkaka as they're called in Swedish. If you're visiting Visby, Sweden on your travels, you need to try the local delicacy known as saffron pancakes. They're made more like an oven pancake with the addition of saffron, making it that beautiful, rich yellow color. It's usually served with berries and whipping cream. So number 7, we have to talk about Swedish meatballs. They're also a classic Swedish food that you have to try while you're in Sweden. Our hotel even served them for breakfast. Usually they're served with mashed potatoes and lingonberry sauce, and they're delicious. Last but not least, you have to try Bilar. I've only ever seen them sold in Sweden and Finland. They are a marshmallowy type of candy in fruity flavors. Literally everyone in my family asked me to bring some back for them. My entire suitcase was full of Bilar. They are really, truly a taste of Sweden. Hey, thanks so much for watching my video on what to eat in Sweden. I have a really fun video coming up on what to buy in Sweden. If you're into souvenirs, I'll show you what's for sale, and it's beautiful. There's so many cool things. So be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out on the release of that video. Thanks for watching Tinagirl Travels, and I will see you again soon.